In today's day and age, laptops are an absolutely quintessential part of life, whereby keeping them safe, secure, and protected becomes that much more important. That is why today on Vikram on Prudent on Finances, I'm actually showcasing laptop insurance so that you keep your laptop protected. And this comes from Worth Av Group, which is a pioneer when it comes to insurance coverage for your electronic devices. And first of all, let's look at all the kinds of losses that are covered, whether we are talking about liquid submersion, cracked screen, accidental damage, vandalism and theft, fire and flood, earthquake and natural disaster, tornado and hurricane. So, pretty much all the risks which your laptop is likely to face, they're all covered. And not only that, what we find is that pretty much every laptop brand out there is in fact covered, whether we are looking at Apple, including MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell, HP, Sony, Lenovo, Asus, Toshiba, Acer, and others as well. Even if you don't find your brand here, you can be assured that it will in fact be covered. And then also look at how Vertaf Group actually matches up with others in the market. What we find is that when it comes to Square Trade and Apple Care, Vertaf Group definitely scores, as does Safeway. But if I compare Vertaf Group and Safeway, even if they pretty much match up on practically every aspect, on the premium front, you pay less with Vertaf Group. So overall, it definitely ends up right at the top. So that is something which is very good about Vertaf Group. And now, having showcased that, let's actually dive in and look at a sort of quote that we are likely to find on our model. So let's say product type would be laptop Chromebook, user type, let's say an adult, and we are looking at coverage. We can go up to, let's say, $500, and we are looking at a full coverage and not just theft. We can go for a $50 deductible, and we can go for a 2-year policy term. And payment terms in full, we're looking at a quote of just $80 for a $500 coverage. So that's something very, very reasonable. You can do your permutations, combinations yourself. You can go in for a higher or lower coverage, and you can either go for a full coverage or theft only. You can do all of this and check for yourself. You'll find that the quote with Vertaf Group will invariably be very, very reasonable. So that's the reason I definitely recommend Vertaf Group when it comes to laptop insurance. I provided the link in the description below this video. You can check it out for yourself. You will in fact land up on this very page, and there you can do all your permutations, combinations, and you'll find that overall definitely it would be a very good proposition. Let's look at what customers have had to say about laptop insurance from Vertaf Group, as we find every time the experience that customers have had has always been very, very good. So that's again a testimonial to the quality of service, the quality, the value proposition that Vertaf Group has to offer with laptop insurance. So without further ado, I would reiterate, this is something I do recommend. Don't take chances when it comes to your laptop. Protecting it, protecting the data in it, everything is very important, and insurance coverage this way definitely makes a lot of difference.